Part 9, a few points about our Jenkins slave machine. So now we have our slave machine or our Jenkins node running. There are a number of options that allow us to manipulate, configure, set up and change this particular node. Most of those options we can take from the drop down menu next to the node on the home page, or alternatively under the Manage Jenkins option we scroll down, we'll find the Manage Nodes menu item, and from here we can see more details about our node again with the same drop down and a list of any other additional nodes if there are any. And if we go a step further, drill into the Rocket Chat node there, we're back to our specific slave node page, which gives us again those same menu items. So a quick point about all of those menu items: delete slave, that will terminate the Amazon EC2 instance for this slave and delete it from Jenkins. Configure, from here you can view and modify some of the configuration parameters for the slave. Build history, details about the builds we've run on this slave, so all the jobs that Jenkins has executed. Load statistics give us a list of the performance characteristics for this build machine. Script console, this is where we can run some groovy script on the slave machines directly from our master Jenkins machine. The log file, as we fired up this instance and we saw the log file being generated as all those software packages were installed. A few bits of information about the system, and then the option to disconnect this node. Now to disconnect, we'll just talk about that quickly. If you disconnect, what it does is removes the agent from this particular node and disconnects it from your Jenkins distributed network. So once you've disconnected it, you might want to run some maintenance on that particular node, for example. Jenkins no longer has access to it, so we'll not try to deploy any jobs to it. And when you're ready and you're ready to reconnect back to that instance, you can say launch slave instance, and then Jenkins fires up the remote Jenkins service on that node again, at which point you can start to deploy jobs, builds, etc. to that. The important point to remember is that from the Jenkins homepage is that we will see a list of all available nodes or slave machines listed in this left hand build executor status panel.